how to fix Discord channels not showing. Now, I'm gonna be showing you three ways to do the troubleshooting steps. First things first is simply log out to your Discord account. By doing so, all you have to do is go to your settings by clicking this gear icon, user settings. You scroll all the way down and click log out. Now, once you relog it again and channels is still not showing on your screen, now let's proceed on the second troubleshooting steps. Second troubleshooting step is to check if your Discord software is updated on the latest version. To do so, you simply right click on your Discord icon, go to Properties, and open File Location. Now, once you're here, you'll be routed to the Discord folder, and all you just have to do is to run this application here. Now, once everything is done and it's still not showing, then what we need to do on the third troubleshooting step is to reinstall your Discord software. To do so, simply click on or press on the Windows button on your keyboard and type in Apps and Features. Now you can scroll down and find the Discord application, or you can search it here on the search list. Simply type in Discord. So you can uninstall it and reinstall your Discord software. So those are three ways or three troubleshooting steps on how we can fix Discord channels not showing.